working. Alright guys, so I'm here doing the final paperwork to see if we can actually afford everything if you leave it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get bed. Mattress, feeling mattress. This is a medium firm. Bless you.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Of course, it's your girl Keneisha. So now make my face look nice too. Guys, I am on the road, obviously. Here's some in the car. It is fall. We are in fall. I'm gonna show you. Look at them pretty tree color. Trees them start changing colors and everything. But the downfall to fall is, as it says, fall. All the leaf them drop off. First, I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome. I appreciate you for joining the KeneishaSays gang. And for all my original KeneishaSays gang members, people, peeps, thank you for always supporting. I'm actually here just literally step out of the nail tech. I just did my nails. I'll show you before. This is what I wanted or asked for versus what I got. But anyways, it looks so bad. Linda, the tech time I go with themselves. I am hungry. And so I head over DQ real quick. I want one of them pumpkin spice thingy magic shake what them have. It is the bomb. And I feel like more some spicy chicken tenders. So that's what I'm going for. Anyways, guys, as you can see, the title is not about what I'm gonna eat. It's not about where I'm coming from, but actually where I am going. I am going today. We keep on talking about furniture that I need. Me not have no money. Me broke. But that not stop me. I am still going to see if I can find some furniture for my kids' bedroom, and I want one for myself too. So that's where we're going today. That's the whole purpose of this video today. So I'm gonna take you on the journey after I fill my belly because I am starving. The only thing I've had all morning was a small bowl of cereal. That was from like 9 o'clock, and right now it's literally 8 minutes to 2 o'clock. So I need to finish doing what I'm doing, go to the furniture store and everything, because I have the kids to pick up by 15 after 4, you know, running time frame there. So that's what's up. Them don't have it. Please tell me some of it.
From the Dairy Queen, how can I help you?
Hi, do you guys have the pumpkin spice shake?
What pumpkin pie blizzard?
No, the shake itself.
We have a what? We have a pumpkin pie blizzard or a pumpkin shake.
Yeah, that's what I want, the shake.
Okay. Any what pie?
Let's do the barbecue chicken strips with some of that buffalo.
Okay, so the honey. Okay, so do you want the 4-piece or 6?
Let's do the 4-piece.
Would you like anything else in there?
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
Okay, that'll be 14-16.
Okay. No, I'm no spicy chicken.
How we doing?
I'm good. I'm hungry.
I hear you. I think the honey barbecue is like my favorite.
It is. I swear you guys had something spicy at one point.
Sweet, they're talking about it right now. We used to have a sweet and spicy sauce
Right?
like 2.5 years ago.
Well, that's how long I've been working over this side.
We do away with all the good stuff.
Right? Like, that was perfect. Like the right size, the right spice and sweetness to it at the same time.
And we just got rid of sweet and sour September 1st. Like corporate discontinued it.
Why?
And everybody loved that. So like,
it's not making any sense. People making decisions need to be.
I was disappointing people left.
They need to be fired. Yeah.
I know. Like, it's perfect to do it for people. Yeah, that'll be right out.
Okay, thank you so much. DQ first. Basically, I'm But no, I swear. I actually pulled in a parking lot. Somebody too hungry, I can't drive and not eat. This is so good. They have the barbecue something strips. And then the pumpkin spice. When I tell you that this is good, but I never come hungry. But they're going with themselves. DQ was always my favorite spot to come to though. When I used to work around this side. People feel like them give me a free. Oh Jesus, we get free strips. I ordered a 5-piece. I have ordered a 4-piece. And I have 5. So I get bonus. You never have it so nice. I'm gonna get buffalo dip. Like have a little, and it was spicy, just like Yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna watch me still eat. I'm not getting on hush. I'm gonna meet you we're going to Bob Discount's furniture store. We're in so now we're going to Manchester. So I'll see you over there, so okay? So guys, I'm here at Bob's Furniture, Discount Furniture. So we're gonna go inside and see if they have anything that we can take home today. So let's go. Alright. So let's see. Hi. I am actually looking for several things.
Okay.
I'm looking for a bedroom set for my son.
Okay.
He's 8.
Okay.
So something simple, not too. I'm looking for just a regular mattress and a box spring for my daughter, and then I also want a bedroom set for myself.
Okay. So you're in the right spot. Here's where the bedroom sets are.
Okay.
Everything comes in queen and king. Some of them will come in twin and full.
Looking for queen and king, so that should be good.
Okay. Yeah. So make yourself right at home. Everything is package priced right on the front.
Okay.
In the queen size, and then if you want alternative packages, just turn it right around, and it'll give you alternative packages.
Perfect. Okay. Sounds good.
My name is Mark. I will be around in case you have questions.
I appreciate you, Mark. Thank you so much. All right, guys. I feel like I want one of these. What do you call it? Like storage. A storage bed for Tristan. Oh, this looks so nice. This looks so nice. This is beautiful. And the price on the sofa, Linda. This is beautiful. So for me, I like the lid light behind this. It's beautiful. That should it work? Wait, hold on. I like this for Tristan. But it's not the storage one. I like this for Tristan. It's not the storage. I like the bed in. look good for Tristan. I have this space right here. All right, so this is $19.99. I feel like this is too big for his room though. I like this, but this is gonna be too big. It's just a joy have. I like this for him. But the night table is too big. Alright guys, so I have a little bit of problem. So I see these. I'm in love with this one for Tristan. And this dresser drawer would actually look, this nightstand would actually look perfect to fit in room, but it's not storage bed. And I want a storage bed for his room. Alright, so guys, we're still looking. So I want a storage bed for his room because I think I told you guys before that he has one of the smallest bedrooms in the house. And I'll be taking away the dresser and the nightstand from his room. So he's gonna need more space from the dresser drawer that I'm looking for. So I need a storage bed. No, all the ones that actually have smaller nightstands is not storage. And the ones that have storage, nightstand too big. So I know what to do. I'm still looking. So I'm thinking I may have to set his room a little bit different for him to get a little bit more space. Then his TV is already set up. This is coming. These nightstands look bad, but this bed. I like the bed though. Don't like the bed. This is getting so confusing. I hate shopping. Let me do this online that easier for me. I hate shopping. I hate shopping. Alright. I like this. 2009. I like this bed. But I'll take it in a gray. It's a king. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get bed. Mattress, feeling mattress. This is a medium firm. Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Medium firm. This one is $7.99. And then you have this firm one. I know. This one is a soft one. It's not gonna feel soft. It's not feel soft. The soft serve. $6.99. So guys, this is a mattress. You have medium, soft, and firm.
Good afternoon. Vermont,
I don't know.
10403, please.
This looks cute. This is a king size, right?
Yes.
This doesn't come as a set?
No.
No. I like this for me.
Well, there is a Scarlet package that this
Uh-huh.
would match.
Okay. So let me hold off to that. This over here, I'm a little bit confused because you know what? I lined this one and this one.
Okay.
And then when you line both of these, for some reason, these two feel the same. This one, you can actually feel the firmer
Okay.
section of it. But these two feel... How much is this one?
This one is going to be $5.99 for the queen size mattress only.
Okay. And that one you said was $7.99?
$7.99.
Yeah, I don't know if it's just me, but it feels the same. Like you feel the difference when you actually sit. When you actually sit, you feel the softness in the middle.
Yeah.
When you lay down, it feels like that one.
Yeah.
This one, you literally feel the firmness when you lay down, but I don't know. I feel like I would go with this one.
Okay.
And then this would be queen.
Yeah.
All right, so what would be the twin in this one as well?
The twin or full?
The full. Oh, it should be here. $5.99
So the
as
full
well.
size, the set mattress and box spring is going to be $7.99.
Okay. So I do like this one.
Okay. This one also comes in that gray color.
I like this gray.
You like the black? Okay.
Is it no?
Well,
Is it
it's
this
a-
gray?
it's
Is it the same thing?
a- Nope.
There's a gray on the.
Yeah. So this is the gray. Yeah.
This is the gray. It looks more like a beige look in person. I thought it was gonna be like a little darker gray. In that case, I may change my mind a little bit. I do like this. It looks a little bit darker on the picture itself. This to me in person looks like beigeish, like this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I feel you.
I was really liking that. You have anything similar to this? Like in a darker, not, I don't want the black. No?
Not really.
I like the LED light look.
Yeah,
It gives you a little bit of fancy.
yeah, I'm not gonna have anything else with the LED.
What about this? Does this come in gray?
No, just that color.
Just this color? This is huge though,
Yeah.
right?
King size.
Yeah, I know, but it just looks like, look at the dresser. It is huge. The details are so nice though. It's like it's fit for a queen, you know? Let's see. Like I always have a brown bed. I just wanted to do something different. A little bit of
This one comes in gray. So this is a nice gray.
I don't like the style.
Okay.
It looks just regular.
Yeah.
I'm trying to go fancy.
So then there's this one over here.
You know, I hate this type of material. I have one like this in my kitchen right now.
Yeah.
We bought it with our house. Hate it. It just looks old. I know it's a style,
Yeah, yeah.
but it just looks old to me. I want to get rid of it so bad. This is the only color that it comes in?
Yeah, right now.
I know.
And there's
No.
this queen one down here.
I'm looking for more for gray because I kind of just have this whole set up in my head
Yeah.
for gray. Already have like the little ottoman, not ottoman, the bench
Yeah.
thing.
So then that one over there is going to be your best bet.
Yes, but the only difference is what's in my cart right now is a darker gray.
Yeah.
Like this tone gray.
Yeah. Yeah. I got you.
I know. This is not gray, Mark. Or is it the light? Like this is not. It's giving me a beige feel. No?
I don't know. It looks gray to me, but maybe that's just because
It does. Even the bed, the sheet looks grayer than the furniture. Maybe it's me. I don't know. Like that gray. That's what I'm looking for.
So that one comes in king.
But I
This
don't
one
like.
here also comes in king.
Don't like the style.
Okay.
The style is what's killing me. So I'm finding the
Yeah.
color, but I'm not finding the style. This is exactly the type of color that I have in my Amazon cart right now for the seated. Let me continue looking. Hold on to that. Let me continue looking because I'd like to leave here with everything instead of trying to come back or go somewhere else. Because I like to do one thing in one place and then we already got the mattress just in case. If I do take this, it doesn't need a box
Just
spring.
the mattress, no box spring.
The only difference I like when my bed is high. That would be the
The
only.
mattress is thicker than that, so it would sit up higher than that.
And this is so. And if the box spring is gonna go all the way up here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then it's gonna take away. Let me call you back. Let me take a look. Yeah.
I'll be right over there.
Don't say that. I may not leave. All right, guys. So most of the footage, man, I still in the light went towards my sister because I've had my sister on the phone like forever to try and select what I want. I do not like shopping in stores because it's like a whole lot of just too much work. So guys, try this color what I was say kind of just get me off track, but I am a little bit confused. I'm thinking of this bed. This looks simple and nice, right? King size. This is queen. But I'm gonna get this in a king size. You have the gray one. I look both. I may look fine right here. So I said we now the LED lights. So I'm thinking between this. Have a look at the storage here, so. Or oh, this is what I'm getting for Tristan. Tristan is getting this. Chester is gonna be like this, but it's gonna be gray and black. And the nightstand is gonna be this. For me, I'm thinking this one. And king size with the storage. Or this one. I love the lid light on this. So guys, so a little bit overwhelmed by this whole thing. Hate shopping in stores. So many times, and most of the footage actually in real life actually went to my sister because I've been calling my sister, which I already pumping on my face. My sister may help right now. So I'm gonna go back and call her and see if I can get out of this place. It's almost 4 o'clock, so I need to leave. Go grab my kids. So I'll be back. So guys, I am back here. I'm back in the car, empty-handed. I did see a bunch of stuff that I want, but I didn't see anything from myself. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I have to go get the kids from school, from the bus stop right now, so I can't really spend no other time. So I got like some information with all the ones that I've chosen for my kids. I'm going to go online and see if I can sit on it for myself. I'm looking more of a gray material for myself. I don't want the brown, I don't want them something, I want gray. I already have everything all set up in my mind how it's supposed to, what I want. You understand? How I want my room to look. And the brown is not doing it for me. So I'm gonna go online tonight and double check, and then tomorrow now if ear just have to go. My ears a mess. And then I will come back over here and see where that goes. Alright? So see you tomorrow.
Eventually.
Hey guys, so it's like 5 days later and I'm finally coming back to Bob's. So I did get the chance to go online to look on some stuff. I think I'm gonna go with I'll show you. So I'm going inside now and see if I can find out that same sales rep, and then we go from there. So come on.
In the queen size or the king size?
King. So guys, this is the one I'll be taking.
All I need are some better days.
And it comes with that dresser over there, and then it comes with that nightstand.
So yeah, it's going to come with the king size bed, the dresser and the mirror, the chest, and the 2 nightstands.
Perfect.
I want to be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague.
So for some reason in my cart originally, I had this one because I forgot I actually added things to the cart. So I was thinking if I still want the storage, but this was one of the most reasonable ones that you guys had. So I'm thinking I may go with this one instead of the storage one.
Okay.
With the nightstand and the chest of drawers.
Okay. And this one in a queen size, right?
And the queen size, yes. This is gonna need the box spring.
Yes.
And that one didn't, right?
Correct.
Oh. Okay. This is the nightstand for it, right?
Yep.
Okay, this is perfect, the size. This is for Tristan, guys. Do you have any of the benches that are like storage benches for the
So like that one?
yeah, but storage, like have the storage? Preferably in black to go with that.
We used to have a couple, but I don't know if they have them anymore.
No.
I don't think so.
Make sure I just it one more time. Make sure it makes sense. And this was a medium, right? The soft.
Yes.
And you said we have 90 days in case to bring it back,
Yes.
just in case. Right?
Yes. So all you would pay, it's 100% of the mattress you get back, and then you just pay for redelivery of the new merchandise.
Okay. What normally will be the delivery, just depending on
So
where it's going?
it depends on which one.
Okay. All right.
And you can have it all probably this
Alright,
week.
guys, so I'm here doing the final paperwork to see if we can actually afford it for me if we leave it. In personality, I'm familiar with cash right now, but it really makes Shesh's thing. But let's see. Let's see what happens.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, I'm loving this already. I like this set already. Only thing I'm scared of, the kids and the scholar.
Ah, yes.
But I'm actually, this is what, 8? 6. I need a 6 or 8, but I don't want a bench.
Okay.
Yeah. I have a large family, so gotta think. Oh, this is beautiful down here. Oh, this is huge.
Yeah.
This is beautiful too.
And it comes with the ability to put an additional leaf.
To get more. This is beautiful. It looks like Goodwood too, and the money is nice.
Mm-hmm.
The money is nice. The money matches this. Okay. Hopefully by next year when I need it, it should be less.
I doubt it.
No?
I doubt it.
You don't think it'll be on sale by then? Is it like a complete set?
Yeah, so those are parts of the package. It's
Including
not for
this?
No, so for the $26.99, you get 4 of these
Okay.
and 2 of those for the armchairs.
Oh, she only gets 6.
Yeah.
It says 7 piece. Oh, so the 7 piece will be the table. And that's another $229. Oh, okay. Oh, this is beautiful. So I'm gonna start saving from now. I would need maybe 6, 7, 8 chairs, and this piece. I like this piece. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed that when I come back, this is on sale. I'll come back for 8 pieces or 9 in total.
Yeah, yeah.
And this one, I don't think I need. This is beautiful, but I don't think I need that. I have that much space for this one. It's gonna be too clustered. That's beautiful. All right. Do you guys have like long couches, like just like maybe whole, like maybe 4?
So you can get one of these, and you can get as many of the pieces as you want. And this happens to be reclining. You can eliminate the wedge and just have it 1, 2, 3, 4 seats. 6 if you want.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Okay. That's perfect. Reclining everything. Okay, so luckily I asked. Okay, so that would work. And then I could use like an accent chair at the end. Sorry, I'm just visualizing. Okay. But they all just come leather?
No, so we've got some fabric ones over there as well.
Let's see. So it seems like Bob's gonna be decorating my old house. Okay. And again, reclining?
Yep.
Beautiful. Okay. So I guess I know where I'm coming for next year. Thank you so much, Mark. I think that's it. All right, have a good one. Nice meeting you, okay?
Yeah, it was my pleasure.
Oh, Jesus, it's raining. It's raining. We just run the rain. So, guys, it's done. There's no going back. But I don't have no money. They will be delivered on Thursday. So, I'm going to have a brand new bedroom set. Tristan is going to have a brand new bedroom set as well. And Savannah's room is all finally going to be set up. So, she can go over her bed, go sleep. Okay, I'm just run on. I'm gonna feel like I'm doing more exercise for the year. So I'm gonna review this. I'm gonna really get a chance to review everything on it. Hopefully everything is right. The monthly payment not so bad. Let me and go to some 4th Street something and go get some money. But yeah, guys, I always wanted to change my bedroom set. I had up for like forever. It just needed to be changed. So there's no going back now. But guys, I want to tell you thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Go over to TikTok and follow me over there, guys. I'm going myself over there. So until later, bye.
for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.